Sino ba gusto makakita ng magic? Tara Kuya Zay. Tara Kuya Zay. Interview natin.
Ayan. Sige, mag-interview muna tayo.
Ikaw Kuya Zay, ano ang gusto mo sa magic?
Pareja magician.
Ako ba na to?
Ano yung gabi?
Ting Halo.
Ay, gusto ko makain. Kaso bakal.
Oo, bawal ko ang fire na yung set. Yes. Mamaya maligo na lang tayo dito.
Correct, correct. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Kuya Zay at Kuya AJ. At ano dyan, ready na yata ang ating magician?
Ayan. Ready na daw? So before tayo mag-magic, can you sit down muna mga kids para makita nyo ng maigang magic trick?
Yes, para mag-start na sa Kuya Araw.
Baka 2 minutes lang. Ay, 2 seconds lang po.
1, 2,
1, 2.
hello, may pick-up tayo.
Ay, bila-bila kasama natin. And of course, later on, after ni Kuya Araw, meron din tayong bubble show na inaabangan na lahat.
Bubble
So,
show.
alam ko, excited na kayo. Hindi kami mga kids, dahil yung mga parents natin, excited din sa bubble show. Pero reminder ng mga parents, kids po muna, bago tayo mga matatanda na.
So yung mga excited, mag-ready na kayo kids kung gusto niyo makasama sa mga bubble show natin later.
Yes!
Ready na? Excited na siya.
Excited na siya.
Gusto niyo ng magic and bubble show.
And once again, Kuya Harold!
Yay!
Come kids, are you ready? What's this? Hey! Watch this. Oh. Hey! Alright, my next magic. What color is this? Go on. Again, what color is this? And this one, what color?
Tumatayo siya, tumatayo. Kausapin mo, chine-check.
Whoa, now we have color yellow. Okay, Kuya, come on. Sit down, Kuya, my friend, come on. Go down, come on. Okay, this one, what color is this? Yellow. Watch this. Oh, now we have color red. Watch. Forehand kiss. What's this? Oh. Oh. Sit down, my friend. Sit down. Okay, my next magic. Watch. Oh. Oh. What's this? Now we have a silk. Hey! What's this? Ate Mo, asan ka na, Ate Mo? Where are you, Ate Maureen? Okay, who wants to hold this? Ate Mo, come on. What's this? Oh! Okay. Pakirimit lang po yun. My next magic. What's this, guys? What's this? Again, what's this? Tissue. Watch. The vanishing tissue. The vanishing tissue. Watch. Slowly. The vanishing tissue. Magic. Clap your hands. I'm just joking, guys. Watch this. Hey! Come here. Okay, come here. Okay. Come here, Andrea. Oh, careful. Okay, now guys, what's this in the picture? Where? What's this? Watch. I'm gonna put this picture here. 1, 2. Hey! Up. Careful. And this one. What's this? Oh! What's this? 1, 2. Hey, flower! Watch the vanishing flower. Are you ready? This magic is very expensive, guys. Don't blink your eyes. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, magic! The vanishing flower! Clap your hands! See? The vanishing flower! Why? Why are you laughing? Huh? What? Oh, there's no at my back! Huh? Why? At my back now! Nothing! Huh? Okay.